Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set every notification trigger in Notion. Whether you're managing projects, tracking deadlines, or collaborating with a team, mastering Notion's notification system ensures you never miss an important update or reminder. Let's start by opening your Notion workspace in your web browser and logging in. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of your sidebar where you'll find the Settings option. Click on it to access all your workspace configurations. This is where you'll control how and when Notion communicates with you. Inside the Settings menu, select the Notifications tab. This section is your control center for managing all notification preferences across your workspace. Scroll down a bit and you'll see various notification channels available to you. Here you can toggle on or off options like email notifications, which will send updates directly to your inbox. If you've connected Notion to other apps like Slack or Discord, you'll also see toggles for those integrations, allowing you to receive Notion updates wherever you're already working. Adjust these settings based on how you prefer to stay informed. Once you've configured your notification channels, close the settings window to return to your workspace. Now let's set up specific reminders within your pages. Open any page or database where you want to create a reminder. This could be a project tracker, a meeting notes page, or even a personal to-do list. To demonstrate how this works, create a test reminder. Navigate to any part of your page, for example, a page within a calendar view. In the page body, type /date, and from the menu that appears, select Date or Reminder. Choose Today to set the reminder for the current day. Now click on the created block to modify it. Toggle on Include Time so you can set a specific time for your reminder. Adjust the date and time as needed, then click Remind Me from the drop-down options. Select At Time of Event. This tells Notion to notify you exactly when the reminder is due. With this setup complete, you'll receive notifications both inside Notion and via email depending on the channels you enabled earlier. This dual notification system ensures you're always aware of important tasks and deadlines, no matter where you're working. Thanks for watching.